everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So today is the 10th day in the question practice, and the question for you is that which of the following is not involved in the formation of lipid rafts? Which of the following is not involved in the formation of the lipid rafts? You have four options for the same. The first option is cholesterol, second option is glycolipid, third option is sphingomyelin, and the fourth option is phosphatidylserine. You have four options and the question in front of you, and write down the answers in the comment section. And also this particular topic is very important about the composition, about the various structures that are involved in the formation or that are formed during any cellular movement. So make sure that you mark out such topics in your notes and do not skip such topics. Okay, so this was about this particular topic. Thank you for watching. Good luck everyone. I'm trying to provide you as many questions as possible on daily basis, so make use of it, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.